Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on 2007 Honda Accord CL9. We're going to be putting a 08 to 2010 Subaru Impreza WRX charge speed style lower lip. These are the tools you're going to be needing: marker, little cutter, some zip ties, some screws, Phillips head, and a little drill with a pyramid drill. You're gonna be ordering that lip. Right now I just sit it on the bottom and I have the 2007 bumper on top. This is how it's gonna look. I'm gonna flip it over in a minute so you can get a better look from the bottom. I have the yellow fog lights on there. I took the grill off because it looks a lot meaner. I'm going to show you the sides. You're gonna have to cut. It sticks out like about an inch, so you're gonna have to cut the sides. Also, when you're fitting it in place, there's gonna be a little baby gap right here missing. This is the closest you're gonna get to a spec style lower lip. Instead of spending like 180 somewhere else and getting like a ABS lip, this is a polyurethane and it's gonna last you longer. And this is like the cheapest you can get, about $80 or $90. Now I'm gonna show you the bottom. Okay, this is how it looked from the top. I have a Mugen grill on there. Just don't have the badge that goes in the middle. I'm probably gonna put it on later. I have yellow fog lights too. I left this grill on and I took off this one right here so it gets some airflow to the intake. And I removed the grill of the bumper. Okay, let's look from the bottom. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that you put one screw here to get everything lined up. And then you're gonna put another screw here, and on this side another screw. Then you're gonna continue going down. You're gonna probably put like around 8 or 9 screws to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I would probably recommend putting bolts later so it won't fall off on you. But this is how it looks from the bottom. On this bumper, you don't have to cut the bottom like on the 04 to 05. You have to cut this to get a better fitment. And when you trying to install the lip, you want like at least 2 finger gaps from this side and also this side to get like the best fitment. So if you can get somebody to help you while you hold these 2 fingers here and the other side hold the other 2 fingers, that way somebody could help you make sure this is lined up properly. I'm going to show you on the other side of the bumper, which is where you're looking at right now. I'm going to show you where the screws that I put on to the lip. This is where I put one of them. The other one here. One right there. One right here, your main one. This is, once you put this one on, it's gonna line up. One right there, one right here, one right there, and one at the end. before you cut the inch that sticks out right here from your lip, you want to make sure you have at least a finger from your finger to the end of the bumper. Then mark it, then cut it. Make sure you use like a ruler so you can get a nice cut. Then sand it down a little bit. Also on this side, same thing. Make sure you have at least like a finger to the edge of the bumper. I'm gonna show you on this side. You're probably gonna have like a small little gap right here, but it doesn't bother me. And this little gap right here. Everything else is like flush. And this is how you install the 08 to 2010 Subaru Impreza lip to a CL9 Accord 2007 bumper. So this is how it looks with the bumper on.